points. We had to work for it after being 1-0 down.
We did.
But Eriksen come on and changed the game, didn't he?
Changed the game totally. And I think Walter Peters played a brilliant game.
I agree with you. I think he had a good game today.
Rose had a good game.
You know what about Rose? It was very Jackie and Hyde pause for him. Because I feel he did a lot wrong, but he did a lot right as well. So.
But we struggled big time without Eriksen. No one can deny that. Before Eriksen came on, we were really struggling to create any sort of chances, any clear-cut chances. But after he came on, he really gave us a little bit of quality in the final third. Start getting balls, real good balls into the box, and it led to the goals. And then Ndombele as well. What a goal on his debut!
First half, we looked very static, didn't we?
Eriksen and the Bowlers made a great team. They playing all the time to each other. They were brilliant.
Man of the match.
Walter Peters.
Man of the match.
I'm gonna give it Eriksen for coming on and changing.
I'm going to give it, before the 2 goals, I would have given it to Tanguy. But I think Kane got to be for those 2 goals.
Great 2 finishes as well by Harry Kane on the charge out for his golden boot. Really 2 lethal finishes. Second was a bit lucky. Third one was clinical.
You got to listen. Like first 15 minutes, Ndombele looked out of place. Like
I think Tongi, look, it's a Bellingham period.
Yeah, but first 15 minutes he looked out of place. But after that, I think he was brilliant.
Yeah,
I think we're absolutely
his dribbling
brilliant.
ability is fantastic, and what a finish on his right foot, curling it into the corner like that.
I'm very happy with Tanguy's performance.
I think Pochettino changed up in the second half of the formation, got Lamela and Sissoko out wide. It definitely was an improvement.
That's what I was calling out for in the first half. We had no width.
We had no width.
We had no width.
That diamond wasn't really working for us. It was so congested in the first half. But once we got the players out wide, it led to a lot of chances. Credit to Villa, who I thought defended really well for most of the game. But
Tyrone Mings had a good game.
Yeah, Mings was a fantastic.
Who was that, number 9?
Number 40. No, their number 9 as well up front was really holding things up for them. But I think the quality Spurs had was too much for them at the end of the day. 3-1 on the opening day, really great result, and a good second half performance as well. So excited to
Exactly. We march on to Eastlands next week with 3 points in the bag.
Exactly.
Let's go.
Credit to Lamela for their second goal as well. I'd give him as well. Nice one. Come on, you.